Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how you guys can go ahead and create a group on Facebook. And by the end of the video, you actually have a good understanding of how it's done. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you're going to want to go ahead and click the menu option at the bottom right hand corner. And you're going to want to go ahead and, actually be in the menu. So you guys are going to see a few options here. Now go ahead and click groups. Once you go ahead and click it, you should be able to get a few groups that are for you, but you're not gonna want to go ahead and click that. You're gonna want to go ahead and click the plus sign right next to the gearbox icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once you go ahead and click on it, you should be able to get an option here that says create a post or create a group. Now go ahead and click create a group, and you're gonna want to name a group something. Now I'm gonna name it the web guide, and we're gonna go ahead and put TWG, and then we're gonna go ahead and put private. And then after that, you can actually make the group visible, but I'm gonna make it hidden. And then we're gonna go ahead and create the group. And just like that, we should be able to create the group now. And you can actually invite people that you actually know to this group, so you guys actually know each other and stuff. So you can actually add a cover photo for the group, but that's not what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And I'm just gonna dismiss the list here. So you guys can see that the web guide private group has now been created. And that's how you go ahead and create a group on Facebook. It is super easy to do, guys, and it's very simple. But with that being said, if you found this video very helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.